Okay, so we back and we're gonna try to save a few dollars today. I got this shock I'm trying to take out, so I'm gonna do like a kind of a 2-in-1 video. I'm gonna do a review on the Bauer Angle grinder. I'm gonna see how good it cuts through this shock to get that piece off, and then I'm gonna replace the drive shock, or not the drive shock, but the steer shock. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Okay, as you see there, this is the problem I'm having with this shock. This bolt, every time I turn it, let me show you. Every time I turn this bolt, this top piece is turning with it, so it's not coming off. So I'm just gonna, maybe I can see that real good. I'm going to cut through here with that angle grinder, and we're gonna see how good that is. So let me get back with you. But first things first, I'm gonna run the power off my APU. I'm gonna turn that thing on. Give me a quick second. And I'm gonna run the saw off the power of the APU. Let's get to it. Then I'm gonna get the shock off. Okay, so I decided to go from the top here, cut it right off, because that wasn't gonna work right there, because the if you see, this part right here was getting in the way. But man, that cut it right off, y'all. Went right through the middle. I got this from Harbor Freight for $40 with the disc and everything. It was like $60-something out the door, and that's what it did right there. So that's my review on that. That's an excellent product. Now I gotta just switch the shock. So I gotta get my impact and get them bolts going. All right, back with you. Impact and a adjustable wrench. Got this joint in the way. Alright, we'll figure this out and I'll be back. Okay, so this is the old shock here. Like I said, I don't really care for these, but here's what it is. This is the new shock. Monroe, and we're gonna go ahead and put it back on. Back with you. Okay, you see we got it on there. I'm gonna use these. These are the bushings, and I'm gonna use this new. This is the new screw with the nut on top here. So closing this up. And it's supposed to go washer, bushing, washer. So this. And then I'm gonna set that up and we're gonna screw it back on. Back with you. Alright, then we got it on there. Let's just tighten it up. We'll have our new shock on. Alright. It's as simple as that. Alright, back with you. So I can talk about the review. Okay, so I give that thing 100%, man. That was a very, very good tool that I bought, that Bauer Angle grinder. If you see this is that bolt that wouldn't come off. You see I sliced it right off. It went through the nut here and the bolt, no problem. Went through it like butter. I did it at the wrong angle, but when I went to the top and just, you know, where I had more space, it came right off. So, man, I recommend you buy that. Don't matter, cord or cordless, seems like both of them will work. But it's a good product, and I enjoy it. So hopefully this review will, you know, help somebody out there. Plus you get to see, you know, I had a hard time getting that shock, and I was able to get it because of that product. So I enjoyed it, and hey, we're gonna catch you on the next one. And I'm gonna keep trying to save a few dollars, you know, because they charging way too much per shock. So I had to figure I'd do it myself. But hey, we'll catch you on the next one.